what's up? Shouts out to the fam band down at the Cape, outside of Cali, Florida, Springfield, Hawaii, the rest of the island of the Pacific, and Missouri, and straight at ya. Can't forget Utah. Let's drop that beat. Through the sky and I'm coming as I be. It's a bird, it's a plane, oh, it's a KID. Cause it's just 3 to the 4, backbone to the 3. I forgot the 1, 2, mic check, excuse me. And I'm the V, I choose the C with the capital G. I claim the U, cross the P, with the 1 on the C. So throw your hands in the air and scream and shout. Well, I take the time to turn this mother out. I go by my words to claim what I claim. I'm someone through the heart without no shame. Because fear to me is like a 7-up. I never had it, never would. It's all about being tough. You trying to check the G, well come and try the B. Cause it's the G-R-E-A-T to the V-I to the C-E. I'm losing control, so take it away from me. Cause I'm a loser, baby. And why don't you kill me? For giving more than it's worth, never minimum wage, cause yo, I do work on this instrumental, pop you like a pimple, put you back in first grade, you're too simple, so drop back quick before you make me sick, or I'll put you in jail just like Slick Rick. So what you wanna do before I put you away, or I slap you like a faggot cause you're too gay, cause Josh Maui gets a busy most beautifully, and like the one time, everybody's up to get me, but don't sleep cause I'm never gonna be dead, it's all in my head, to never wear red, so bring it on, I'm waiting, to make you shiver and your boots stop shaking. So all you niggas beware and please have fear, cause yo, it's a family affair. I think I'll consider with the code. Well, I put that on the side and I move on with my flow because I'm moving on up and I'm just grooving on with my track. It's a young Polynesian that's on top of the stack. Now where I'm from the town, capital L-A-I-C-E. Was that at in the waters of the island called Hawaii. Shout out to all, Samoans my race, and I'm that biggity boss G, putting things in place. As my gear is through the straight and my kicks are on top with just a bunch of fast shoulders. Let's do this ride. So chickity check, I'm that one to relax cause I'm the president. That's all in effect. Singing Hakuna Matata, no worries for me because I'm just a young homo from the Poly tribe. You know you can't step to this, cause you know you can't just do this, cause you know you can't mess with this, cause you're just another friend to me. Rob, what's a homo? Definition of Samoans on a mission. We on a mission.
Back again with the Poly tribe. Once again on the mic, yes, I make you hype. Throw your hands in the air, as you do it right. Bounce it up, bounce it up, bounce it up like a ball. And I'm dropping the microphone to prove it to you all. I'm the man, the mastermind, leader to be exact. Cause I was just a little devil for my baddest, reddest track.